Hello, in this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Huawei Pura 70 Pro. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this video I will use DuckDuckGo. And now you have to search the word test using your custom search engine. Now you have to copy your URL and then click back and click on this 4 dots icon and then click on settings. Now click on search engine, and here you have to choose custom, and now you have to name your custom search engine and you have to paste your URL. And now you have to replace the word test with %s. Now click this check mark, and as you can see now I have a yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back, and now let's check if this will work. So I will search something using my custom search engine, and as you can see my browser is now using Yep search engine. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.